In the standard XY coordinate plane, what is the midpoint of the line segment that has endpoints at 3, 8 and 1, negative 4? If you want to pause the video and try to work it out, now would be the time to do so. So, a midpoint, that's basically just the middle of these two different points. So people think you have to memorize some midpoint formula, which there is one that exists, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. And if you want to memorize that formula, that's fine, but you don't really need a formula to find the midpoint if you know the midpoint is just the average. So you're just finding an average of the x's and finding an average of the y's. So if I look at the average of the x's, I had 3 and 1, which adds to be 4, and then I divide that by 2, which means the middle of 3 and 1 happens at 2. And then to find the y value, I would do 8 and negative 4, which is 4, and divide that by 2. So it is also 2. So the midpoint of these 2 points would happen at 2, 2, which means the correct answer here should be D.